day, you're not alone. From juggling work commitments to managing personal responsibilities, effective time management is a challenge many of us face. But what if there was a way to reclaim your time and boost productivity? Enter AI, your new personal assistant in the quest for better time management. AI tools are revolutionizing the way we approach our daily schedules. Whether you're in the bustling streets of New York or the serene landscapes of Switzerland, AI is transforming how we manage our time. Imagine having a tool that analyzes your habits and suggests the best times to focus on tasks, schedule meetings, or even take breaks. This isn't just a dream, it's the power of AI at work. Let's dive into how AI can help streamline your life. First, AI-powered calendars like Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook are more than just scheduling tools. They can predict your availability, set reminders, and even suggest optimal meeting times based on your past activity. No more double bookings or missed appointments. For those who feel overwhelmed by endless to-do lists, AI-driven task managers like Todoist or Trello can prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. These tools learn from your inputs and adapt to your workflow, making them indispensable in boosting your productivity. But that's not all. AI can also help in minimizing distractions. Tools like Freedom or Cold Turkey block distracting websites and apps during work hours. This means more time for what matters most, whether it's a project deadline or family time. Now, you might wonder, how do I get started? The beauty of AI tools is their accessibility. Most are available as apps or online services, ready to integrate into your daily routine. As you begin this transformational journey, you'll find that AI doesn't just help manage your time, it enhances your quality of life. By embracing AI, you're not just adopting a new tool, you're opening doors to a world where time is no longer your enemy, but an ally. Picture yourself with more time to pursue your passions, connect with loved ones, or simply relax. So why wait? Start exploring AI tools today and discover how they can reshape your time management approach. With AI by your side, the possibilities are endless, and your journey towards a more productive life begins now. Remember, time